Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or schedule TikTok screen time breaks on your TikTok account. So this will work for the TikTok app on iOS and Android devices. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile page. And if you're unsure of how to do that, just select the profile button in the bottom right. And then at the top right, select the hamburger icon and select settings and privacy. On the right side, underneath content and display, go down and select screen time. So where it says screen time breaks, you can go ahead and click on this option to get reminded to take breaks from scrolling. So you can either turn that on or off by selecting schedule a break, and you can schedule when you want that to occur after so much time has elapsed. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So again, this will be a recurring schedule after so much time that you've been on the app. So you can make your selection. Custom time, you're welcome to do that as well, and just scroll through here up to an hour in duration, I guess, between the two breaks. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.